So here we are on day 5 of my pantry clean out. I am making some progress. I'm completely out of spaghetti, which is why I ended up resorting to rotini for this dish. I'm making a quick Alfredo sauce with some of the salted butter I found randomly in my fridge. I'm still not sure where it came from. A little bit of garlic from my garden and some all-purpose flour. I am getting very, very low on that. Fortunately, I do still have bread flour if I need to make some bread. After putting enough flour in here to make a bit of a paste, I added probably about half of the spinach I still had and sauteed that in this. And then I added some heavy cream. The heavy cream is actually a powdered version that I keep in the pantry. It's been very convenient. I don't use enough milk and things like that to keep those on hand. And I had a block of Parmesan that I bought for something a while back. And so I just grated some of that into the sauce and let it melt. I also added some pasta water to this. As I said earlier, my variety of pastas is not as much as I normally have on hand. So I used a rotini. This is probably not the best pasta for this dish. The texture is not what I would have liked. A penne or a spaghetti would have been much better. As you can see, I also added some meatballs that I had made previously and had in the freezer. I had thawed them intending to do them a few days earlier, but the jambalaya took a few days to finish off. I also had it with that cucumber salad I'd made. I don't think I'll ever repeat this recipe. It's way too salty, not like the one my grandfather used to have. If you've actually made it this far, thank you. I appreciate your support.